Sixth chapter, trigonometric ratios up to transformation. This chapter belongs to mathematics 1A. Part 53. This is the last part and last problem of in the chapter. This is the long chapter of the mathematics 1A. What is that problem? If a plus b plus c equal to 2s, then prove that cos of s minus a plus cos of s minus b plus cos of s minus c plus cos s is equal to 4 cos a by 2 into cos b by 2 into cos c by 2. First we have to take LHS part. What is that LHS part? LHS part is cos of s minus a plus cos of s minus b plus cos of s minus c plus cos of s. In this LHS part, total how many terms? Total 4 terms is it. First 2 terms you can take 1 term, remaining 2 terms nothing but total 4 terms you can take another term. Here we can take cos c plus cos d formula. Which formula? Cos c plus cos d. What is that formula? 2 cos of c plus d by 2 into cos of c minus d by 2. This is the formula of cos c plus cos d. In this formula, you can write c value is s minus a, d value is s minus b. First term, c value is s minus a, d value is s is the second term. You can write formula 2 cos of c value s minus a plus d value s minus b by 2 into cos of c value s minus a minus of d value s minus b by 2. First term you can apply formula perfectly. You go to second term. Here in the second term, this is c, this is d. 2 cos of c value s minus c plus s by 2 into cos of c value s minus c minus s value s by 2. You can write this 2 term in this formula cos c plus cos d. Remaining 2 terms also you can write same formula, but c and d values are different. After that, you go to 2 cos of s plus s. You can write 2s minus a minus b by 2 into cos of s minus a minus s plus b by 2 plus 2 cos of s plus s 2s minus c by 2 into cos of s minus s get cancelled to get cos of minus c by 2. After that, you can write 2s equal to how much? You know that 2s equal to a plus b plus c. 2s equal to what here? A plus b plus c. You can write 2 cos of 2s value is a plus b plus c minus a minus b whole by 2. Once again explain to students. Here cos c plus cos d. Here also be cos c plus cos d. This is a repeated 2s problem. 99% this problem coming to the IB examination mostly. That's why in this problem s minus a, this is s minus b. 2 cos c s minus a plus d by 2. 2 cos c s minus a minus d s minus b by 2 plus 2 cos c s minus c plus d s by 2 cos s minus c minus s by 2. After that, s plus s you can write 2s minus a minus b by 2 cos of s minus a minus s minus into minus plus b by 2 2 cos of s minus plus s 2s minus c by 2 cos of s minus s get cancelled to get minus c by 2. After that, you know the 2s value. 2s value is what here? 2s value is a plus b plus c. That's why you can write 2s value is a plus b plus c minus a minus b minus a plus c minus b plus b get cancelled. Cos of here s minus s get cancelled. Remaining d minus a by 2 plus 2 cos of 2s minus c by 2 cos of minus theta 1. Cos of minus theta you get cos theta. Cos of minus theta what? Cos theta. Cos theta. Theta value is what here? C by 2. After that, here 2 cos c by 2. Remaining term cos c by 2 into cos of b minus a by 2 into cos of b minus a by 2 plus 2 cos of 2s value is a plus b plus c minus c whole by 2. Understood or not? 2 cos 2s value is a plus b plus c minus c by 2 into cos c by 2. After that, here plus b plus c minus c get cancelled. Remain one. 2 cos c by 2 cos of b minus a by 2 2 cos c by 2 cos of b minus a by 2 plus 2 cos here a plus b by 2 is a plus b by 2 into cos c by 2. Understood or not, students? This step are understood or not? Once I can explain, students. Here 2s equal to a plus b plus c, you can write 2s of a plus b plus c minus a minus b by 2 into cos of s get cancelled, remain cos 2b minus a by 2 plus 2 cos of 2s minus c by 2 similar cos of minus theta, you can write cos theta, nothing but cos c by 2. After that 2 cos, here total cancel, remain c by 2 is a cos of b minus a by 2 remaining term plus 2 cos of 2s minus, here 2s value is how much here? 2s value is a plus b plus c minus c whole by 2, here plus c minus c get cancelled, you get cos of a plus b by 2 into cos c by 2. Here cos, here 2 cos c by 2 is a, here also be 2 cos c by 2 is a. You can common what here? You can common here 2 cos c by 2 is common. Which one is common? 2 cos c by 2 is common. You get what? Cos of b minus a by 2 cos of b minus a by 2 plus cos c by 2 plus cos c by 2. Once I explain, friends, 2 cos c by 2, here 2 cos c by 2 get cancelled, cos of b minus a by 2 remaining term plus cos of a plus b, cos of a plus b by 2 is the second term, cos of a plus b by 2 is the second term. Understood or not? After that 2 cos c by 2, 2 cos c by 2 cos of, you can write this one is b by 2 minus a by 2, b by 2 minus a by 2 plus cos of, you can write this one is also b by 2 plus a by 2, correct or not? A plus b by 2, nothing but b plus a by 2, both are equal or not? Check. Correct or not, students? A plus b and b plus a both are equal, that's why you can write cos of 2 cos c by 2 into cos of, you can write first this term b by 2 plus a by 2 plus cos of, you can write b by 2 minus a by 2. Okay, students. After that cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. What is the formula of cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b? 2 cos a cos b. What is the formula? 2 cos a cos b. That is the formula. You can write that formula. Here a value is b by 2, b value is a by 2, a value is b by 2, b value is a by 2. You can write 2 cos c by 2, 2 cos a value is b by 2 into cos b value is a by 2. You can compare it in this term. After that 2 2 is how much? 2 2 is 4 cos c by 2 cos of b by 2 cos of a by 2. You can write first to a and a, 4 cos of a by 2 into cos of b by 2 into cos of c by 2. This is the RHS part. Correct or not, students? 4 into cos of a by 2 into cos of b by 2 into cos of c by 2. That is the RHS part. Then LHS is equal to RHS. This problem once again explained, this is a repeated problem in IP examination. A repeated problem in 2 years, except not coming to the a plus b plus c equal to 180 degree model problem. Must and should come into the a plus b plus c equal to 2s model problem. That is first preference. You get this problem. Once I can explain, a plus b plus equal to 2s. This is the LHS part. What is that LHS part? Cos of s minus a plus cos of s minus b plus cos of s minus b plus cos c. Here cos of s minus a plus cos of s minus b, you can write cos c plus cos d formula. What is that formula? 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. In that formula, c value is s minus a, d value is s minus b. Similarly, this is also you can write same formula. 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. C value is s minus c, d value is s. You can write similar way. After that, you can write 2s value is a plus b plus c. write down here. You get here 2 cos c by 2 is there. Here also be 2 cos c by 2 is there. You get 2 cos c by 2 is get common. Cos of b minus a by 2 is there. Here cos of a plus b by 2 is there. This cos of b minus a by 2, this cos of a plus b by 2 you can separate it. Separate it nothing but cos of b by 2 minus a by 2 is the one term plus cos of a by 2 plus b by 2 is the second term. This term you can write cos of b by 2 plus a by 2 plus cos of b by 2 minus a by 2. This is in the form of cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b form. What is that formula? 2 cos a cos b. Already 2 cos a by 2 is 2 cos a value is b by 2, 2 cos b value is a by 2, 2 2 are 4, cos a by 2 into cos a by 2 into cos b by 2 into cos a by 2. First you can write angle A, cos a by 2, after that cos b by 2, after that cos a by 2. This is the RHS part, you get LHS is equal to RHS. This is the last problem of in this trigonometric ratio up to transformation. Especially transformation is must and should coming to the 7 marks, that is 180. A plus b plus equal 180 or a plus b plus equal to next 2s. After that a plus b plus equal 0 degrees, a plus b plus equal 90 degrees, a plus b plus equal to 270 degrees. This model problems coming to the must and should 7 marks in IB examination. That's why you can read and write formulas perfectly. You can easily understood exercise 6 that is transformation exercise. Okay.